All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's start from here. What is your favorite subject and why? My favorite subject is, come on, speak.
My favorite subject is mass communication studies because as I have done my master's in it and
Okay, I like this subject very much.
yes.
Just try to speak 5, 6 sentences, okay? Be talkative. Let's go on. What was your favorite subject at school?
When I was in my school, my favorite subject was English, and this was my favorite because of maybe because of my teacher, the way she taught me, and she made it more understandable, and
Okay, let's go on. Would you like to study any subject in the future? Or would you like to learn about any subject in the future?
yes, I would like to. Uh, because in my childhood I was very much fond of doing art or drawing, so if I would ever get a chance to continue my studies in future, so I would
Okay,
prefer to
that's
learn.
good. Let's go on. One last question. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
My favorite teacher in my school was my English teacher. She was so polite and kind and helpful, and she taught me very well and make things much easier for me to understand, so that's why she
Okay,
was
that's
my.
good. Your English is good, but you have a lot of hesitation.
Yeah,
You
I
are
don't know, I
nervous
have
and
tried many
confused.
times to overcome my
Don't
hesitation, but
worry,
I
you will
have.
be fine, okay? Try
Okay,
to practice all these topics
okay,
with someone or even alone, you'll be
okay,
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 right?
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Keep
Thank you.
sitting.
Okay.
Now, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you watch movies?
No, I don't like to watch movie because I have no interest in movies. There is a lot of wasted time, so I don't like to watch
Okay.
movies.
What kind of movies do people commonly watch in your country?
In our country, people like to movies, Indian movies. And sometimes in Punjabi movies. So in these days, trends are going to Punjabi movies that people like to see in Punjabi movies.
Okay. Is going to cinema a common practice in your hometown?
No, there is no cinema in our hometown, and that's why we don't interest in seeing movies.
Can we learn a language by watching movies in that language?
I think so. If anybody have interest in the movies, and so they want to join the language, and if they don't have interest, so then they don't like to listen.
Okay, thank you. The first thing is you're taking too much time to produce the answer. You are thinking, then you're producing a sentence. Second, you have grammatical mistake if anyone has, not have. And the third thing is you're using very limited ideas and vocabulary, and you tend to repeat the same thing. So try to use a variety of words. For example, for movies, going to the cinema, watching a movie, blockbuster, these type of words will improve your band score.
Oh,
But if you use the same words which I use in the question, you will get low band score for that. So
okay,
try to practice all these things,
okay.
okay?
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you.
much.